Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to transfer money from Wise to PayMongo. If you want to do that, you need a verify account on Wise because otherwise you can do that. So if you don't have any idea how to verify your account, I created one. So check that video out and then after that you know exactly how to how to verify your account. Then after that we go to send and then we search right here for the Philippines, just an example. And then we fill in here an amount of 100 euros. Then we do right here at recipient and then we click here on e-wallet. And then we need to decide if you want to send it to myself or someone else. So let's do right here myself. Then we fill in our name. Then we click right here on select e-wallet. And then we do right here PayMongo. Then fill in right here your recipient's e-wallet number. That is very important. Be careful with that because if you make a mistake, that is not good. And then after that, click on continue. I don't have an account on PayMongo, so that is why this piece right here is red. But if you filled in everything correctly, he will send you to the review page. Check there all your details. Do exactly what they ask you to do, everything is correct. And then click on continue again and then he will send you to the payment page. There you can see your payment and then the transfer is done. So this is how you can transfer your money from Wise to PayMongo. So hopefully this was exactly the video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.